Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Now in today's video we are going to be testing out some oldish products that I haven't used for a while. So I'm very excited for this video. If you want to see more of these on my channel, then please do let me know in the comments down below. If you are struggling to find a comment, then comment your past product that you were obsessed with back in the day. Let me know, because maybe I'll try it. Maybe I've got it in my collection that I haven't tried for ages. That would be exciting. And before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already. And without further ado, let's get straight into testing these products. Okay, so we have an interesting video to film today. I need to get makeup on this face. So we are going to be testing out products that I haven't used in a long time. I'm planning on making this like a series because I've got so many products to try out again after not using them for like either a couple of years or a couple of months, you know. Let's get into it. So I think I'm going to start off with my eyes today, and I'm in the mood for something crazy. Maybe not crazy, but something different, because I've been seeing a lot of people doing the, if I can open the palette, I'm going to be using the BPerfect Carnival 3 palette, Love Tahiti palette. I've seen so many people doing like 2016 makeup and stuff like that, so I'm going to be diving into this today. I do like the look of that colour, but then I was going to do greens. I think I'm going to go up here into the greens. We'll see. I'm going to go in with the concealer first. I'm not going to show you what concealer because, I mean, you could probably tell, but I want it to be like a sort of a surprise. This is just going to act as my base for the eyeshadow. I freshly dyed my eyebrows this morning, and I actually microbladed my face this morning as well, so we are prepped and smooth and fresh. I forgot how pigmented this concealer is. I'm just going to go over that with a sponge because that was a lot of product. Happy Valentine's Day for yesterday, by the way. I'm actually filming this on the Tuesday before Valentine's Day, and happy Pancake Day. Oh my god, it's all happening. Weird that two events happen on the same sort of time. Same week. Happy Pancake Day and Happy Valentine's Day. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing, but we're just going to go in with it and we're going to roll with it and see what happens. I think I'm going to do the traditional dark to light. So let's just go in. I'm going to go in with greens. I'm not setting that concealer because I don't ever do that. Do you guys do that? Because I don't. This pinky always goes out like this. I don't know why. These are so pigmented. I forgot how pigmented these are. One eye always looks better than the other. This is why I decided to do my eyes first, because I know they will be fallout. On the messier side actually blended easier. I'm just taking the lime green shimmer that's in the palette, and this just looks stunning. I'm taking it quite high as well. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm just gonna go put a lash on and line my eyes and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished the top of the eyes now. I actually went in with the Doll Beauty Chloe Elizabeth lashes, and they look so good. I forgot I had these, and it's in the old packaging, so they do not look like these anymore. I do love these eyelashes. They are so nice. But now on to my face. So, a primer that I probably shouldn't even be wearing, putting on my face. It's the Rimmel Lasting Finish 8-Hour Wear Makeup Primer. Now, who remembers this? Do they even do this anymore? I don't even know. But it's got lots of... I remember they had this one, or the blue one. I used to really love this one, and it's the Day Proof Pore Minimizing, Even Skin Tone, Skin Perfecting primer. Yeah, it smells like how I remember. Let me just make sure I haven't got any fallout. Do you know what? There isn't even fallout on my face from the eyeshadow. I'm hoping this isn't going to break me out, to be honest, but we'll see. Okay, it's much thicker than I remember. Smell takes me back. A very greasy primer. The glow is glowing. It actually looks quite good. I was getting prepared for just saying that this is a basic primer, but my skin looks so nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to see if they still sell this. Bear with me. Oh my god, they do. They still sell it. It's only £8. Yeah, it's still on the Boots website. I mean, they still got the blue one too. Yeah, Superdrug sell it. Look fantastic. Boots. Tesco's. So, I mean, my skin is given. I'm obsessed. And then for foundation, I'm going to go in with the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. I haven't used this in so long, but I was looking in my drawer. The only thing about this is it doesn't come with a pump, but I can just get a new one. Again, probably shouldn't be putting this on my face, but if I like it, I'll go out and get another one. But my friend used this the other day and I completely forgot about it, so I thought I would try it out again. Okay, it's runny. She's a runny gal. The shade looks good for when I'm tanned. See how it's running down my arm quite a lot. This one looks scary at first because I haven't got any tan on my face. And the amount of comments on one of my recent, I think it was on my Instagram actually, that said that I looked orange. Thank you. I will take that because I'd rather that than be my pale self. But that's just my personal preference, you know? You do you, boo. I remember this having good coverage, but like not loads. Just like a natural sort of glow. Because I remember everyone saying that it's not very sheer, because that's in the title. But it is a really nice foundation. And I mean, you can't go wrong with a NARS foundation because they are all stunning. Okay, that is really nice. It's not my favourite NARS foundation, but it is lush. My favourite one is the Longwear one, of course. It matches my tan really well. I feel like it's getting like a satin matte finish. Okay. That's the foundation. I would definitely buy that again. My skin is given at the moment. And then for concealer, I've been seeing this going around again on TikTok. I absolutely love this concealer and I've got it in my makeup kit. This is the shade Medium, which is quite a my skin tone sort of shade. I will never not use this in my kit. I always stock up when I can and it's on offer, but I haven't used this on myself for a while. Oh, and the smell. So I'm just going to pop it there for a minute, let it dry down, let it marinate, and then we're going to go in with a lighter shade as well. I've got the shade Fair, but I do have quite a few shades in my kit. Okay, so I'm going to blend that out now. How stunning. Love that so much. Then I'm going to go in with the shade, like I said, Fair, just to... Whoa. I've had to take the stopper out because I couldn't get to the product. Again, I'm going to let that sit there and I'll come back. Okay, so then for cream bronzer, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Sun Kissed Glow Bronzer in 02 Medium. Hopefully this is going to be dark enough. Remember this being quite natural, but I'm 100% sure I only use this like once or twice, I want to say. I'm just going to dab it on the back of my hand and then go in. Oh, I don't remember it being this pigmented. I love a cream bronzer like this that's in the pan. I just find them easier to work with rather than the liquid. But that's quite personal preference, so do what you feels best. I actually really like that. It blended out really nicely. It didn't go patchy anywhere. Very, very nice. I would definitely use that again. But the only thing I'm going to say, which is such a small thing, but the size of it, it is absolutely massive. It's huge. It reminds me of the Estee Lauder powder bronze actually. I know it's for face and body, probably why it's so big, but for travel I wouldn't take this on holiday with me, even though this would be like beautiful on holiday. But the size is just, it stops me from doing that. Do you know what I mean? And then for blush, I've got the P. Louise Basic Cosmetic Base. This is in the shade Pretentious Peach. Oh my god, I used to use this all the time for blush, for cream blusher, and for colour correcting. I'm just going to go straight on the skin. Forgot how pigmented these are, so... Oh, fuck. Just going to put that much for now. You all know I love a bit of blush, but I don't know how pigmented they're going to be, because I can't remember. Oh yeah, they're pigmented. Oh my god, I love this shade. Do they do these anymore? I don't even know. If they do, I'll link them down below, like with everything else I show you. I'll link them in the description box if they do still do them. Okay, that is a lot. Such a nice shade. Look at that. Powder. I don't have a like old powder, so I'm gonna put under my eyes, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've set my under eyes, but for the rest of my face I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Crop Pore Filter Pore Blurring Pressed Powder in the shade Translucent Zero. Now I'm going to use this for the rest of my face because I again haven't used this for a while, obviously that's why I'm using it, but I remember this being so blurring. I don't know why I stopped using it. Probably because I've got too much makeup. But how smooth does that make my skin? And I like that it's got no colour to it, so you can pop it everywhere. Look at how blurring this is. And then my camera goes blurry. Look how good that looks. Oh my god, that was a mission. Trying to get my brush that was on the floor. This is like a blast from the past, like a few of these are. This is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, waterproof. I've never noticed that. Waterproof bronzing powder, SPF 15. Why have I never taken this on holiday? What? Anyway, this is in the shade 025 Sun Glow. I like this one because it's such a nice colour and it's got like a shimmer to it, but like nothing mega. Do you know what this is a dupe for? The Clinique one. Just gives nice colour. Do you know what I mean? Right, I'm going to go off and change my battery, bear with. Okay, it got dark very quick, but now I'm going to take the NARS Orgasm Blush. This is such a gorgeous blush. I just never reach for it. Got a nice gold reflex in there. Oh, stunning. How gorgeous is that? I love it. And then for setting spray, I've got the Benefit the Professional Super Setter. I had a mini like size, travel size of this, and then I really liked it, so I went and bought the full size. But again, I haven't used this in so long, so here we are. It smells really nice. The mist is so thin. I forgot how nice this is. The mist is so cooling and like so fine. It's lush. Really, really nice. So I went off and did under my eyes, by the way. So then I'm going to take a highlighter that again, it was my go-to back in the day. I really hope they still do this. It's the e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls highlighter, and if you are an OG, you'll know how obsessed I was with this highlighter. It gives such a wet look to the skin, and that's what I absolutely love in a highlighter. And for the price, probably under £10. Look at it. This gives me Rare Beauty dupe ones that everyone loves. I'm going to have to get one of those. Okay, so now all that's left is lips. What I'm going to do, before I do lips, I'm going to take my curls out and actually look a bit presentable, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I think I'm happier with my hair only leaving it in for like a couple of hours. Because, I don't know, it's a little bit like more wavy, not as like curly. Unless I just don't tighten it as tight next time. Anyway, so lip liner, I'm going to go in with the KVD Beauty Bow and Arrow lip liner. I know they've changed the packaging now, but this is all we've got. So I know my colleague absolutely loves these lip liners, and when they're on offer, she stocks up. She stocks up. I remember them being creamy, but I can't remember how nice. Okay, they are very creamy. Okay, yes, that is very creamy, but the only thing with that is it going to last like not as long as in the amount that you get. But then for lip gloss, I'm going to go in with, these used to be my absolute favourite, the Peaches and Cream lip gloss in the shade Sisterhood. Hopefully this matches the eyes. These are so pigmented and they smell amazing. Actually, an easier way to apply these is with a brush, I find, but that's actually a really nice lip combination. Very nice. Okay, so that is the end of this video. It was a shock. These products actually shocked me of how well they still perform, especially the eyes. Obviously the eyes are just stunning. The base is looking flawless. My lips, I am obsessed. I always forget how nice those lip glosses are. I need to use more. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more testing products that I haven't used for a while, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see this again. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!